Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're able to fix this beautiful Rancilio Silvia, so we're going to do a few tests on it, and we're going to start with espresso using our test blend. This one having a bottomless portafilter. And we are going to test. Beautiful. A little fast. But that is alright. Again, we're using our test coffee, so maybe. But it is running well, and there's no blast coming out of the portafilter anymore. Now we're going to test hot water. Turning it on and twisting the knob. That is a steady stream. I don't know if you can see it. Good stream. Then we're going to test steam. And here's the steam one. I'm going to put the pitcher there so the water comes out first. Beautiful, powerful steam wand right there. That about does it. Thank you for repairing with us. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.